Hi, welcome to this week's episode of the Ingredient Channel for another easy to follow Chinese recipe. Recently, I craved badly for another well known Chinese dish, the braised pork picnic shoulder. Check out several nearby Chinese restaurants and was not able to find it in any of the menus. As a foodie, I won't be stopped that easily. Bought a pork picnic shoulder myself and recreated the recipe at home. It is so soft, tender, and delicious, which I enjoyed so much and feel obligated to share with you all. For the ingredients, we need a carefully picked pork picnic shoulder, 1 star anise, 1 tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn, 2 dried bay leaves, dried red chili pepper, a large piece of rock candy, which can be substituted by 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Thoroughly clean the pork shoulder, put it along with the other ingredients in a slow cooker. 4 tablespoons of cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, rub evenly around the pork shoulder. Add enough water, about 2 teaspoons of salt, cover the lid, and slow cook for 3 hours. Then transfer the pork shoulder to a clay pot, filter out the solid ingredients, and pour the soup into the clay pot. To be a little creative, I added the dried bean curd nuts, about 20 of them. Bring to a boil, and then keep it on high heat to condense the juice. In about 10 minutes, gently take out the bean curd nuts. Keep boiling the pork shoulder on high heat. Until the juice gets thick and sticky. Use a spoon to pour the juice on top of the pork while boiling. Watch carefully and try not to burn the pork shoulder as the juice gets dried very quickly. Turn off the heat. Transfer the pork shoulder to the plate with the bean curd nuts together. It's ready. When served hot, the skin is very soft and full of collagen. Super flavorful. It can be served cold as an appetizer too. Slice the pork shoulder and eat them like ham. The shoulder tastes more chewy, but still very tasty. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the episode, please press like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel for more exciting recipes in the future. See you around.